Hey guys, I just wanted to make a video to show some of the gifts that we've been making, custom gifts that we're making for our friends for this Christmas. We've made 3 types of products so far: notebooks, bottles, and mugs. I'll just show you this notebook. So it has the person's initials on the front. This is a champagne colored vinyl, which I think looks pretty classy for, makes the product a little bit classier. It looks kind of gold, but it is called champagne vinyl, just with a simple clean design for the notebook. Secondly, we've got some bottles. This one is packaged in a box that we've also purchased, and the extra packaging I think is a nice touch. But we've got the person's name. Come on. We've got the We've got the person's name also in the champagne vinyl in a running writing across there on a purple bottle. I think that's a good color combination. For this individual, they enjoy running, so we've made I've put the initials in italics and put some arrows just to show how fast they are. And then we've got a few mugs that we've made. This person likes to cook, so we've added a chef's hat. We've added a little Cricut man for a Cricut fan. And lastly, we have a basketball fan here. So it's been pretty fun to customize. We can add whatever that person's into onto the product, and hopefully they can enjoy it. All right, see ya, bye.